First thing you want to do is take some cooked chicken. You can take rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, whatever you like, and you're going to want to shred it. I basically just cooked some chicken in the oven, and instead of pulling it apart, shredding it that way, I'm shredding it in my mixer so I don't have to touch the hot chicken. Then I'm going to put the green chilies in the mixer. I'm also going to put a can of tomato paste in the mixer. I don't measure anything out, so just about whatever looks right to me goes in. Now you're going to want to season to taste. On this particular time, I used cumin, paprika, and then some random seasonings. I really don't pay attention to what I put in. It changes every time I do it, and usually it comes out pretty good, so just whatever you prefer. Then you're going to want to put your cheese in, and on the original recipe I found, I think it said like a cup of cheese, but yeah, I put way more than that, and I usually use like Colby Jack and sharp cheddar and like a mixture, but we didn't have any of that, so I put pizza blend and mozzarella, and it also didn't turn out bad. It still tasted pretty good. This is the first time I've ever used my mixer to shred my chicken. Usually I have to shred by hand, and I get big old chunks, and it actually tasted way better being this shredded because all of the seasonings and spices and everything I put in mixed together a whole lot better. Now remember, this is fully cooked chicken, so you can season this to taste. And mine was hot, so it also tasted really good. Then you're going to want to take the chicken mixture and place it in the tortillas, wrap up the tortillas, and place it in your casserole dish. Then you're just going to want to let the casserole dish sit while you make the sauce. It's going to be 1 can of chicken broth, 4 tablespoons of flour, and 4 tablespoons of butter. And then you're just going to want to mix that together and wait till it gets to a boil. Make sure there's no lumps from the flour. Y'all know I don't measure anything out, so just if it looks about right, then it is good. Once your mixture has come to a boil, you're going to want to turn off the stove, add your diced tomatoes and green chili mix, and then you're going to want to take that off the burner, let it cool for a minute, and add 8 ounces of sour cream. Like I said, I don't measure, so if it looks right, then it's right. The reason you're going to want to let it cool for a second is so that your sour cream does not curdle, because it will. It'll go bad if you boil it. It's not good. Then you're just going to want to mix that together, and it should come out to be like a thick cream consistency. Pour it on top of the enchiladas, and then cover that in whatever cheese you decide to use, and pop it in the oven. I don't set my oven on anything special, just 350 degrees for about 25 minutes because the chicken's already cooked. I just want the cheese to be a little brown or bubbling, and if it's not bubbling yet, I might put it back on for like another 5 to 10 minutes. And there you go. You have some easy at-home enchiladas that your family will love. Doesn't take much to cook, and they turn out pretty good. Now I usually use Colby Jack and Monterey Jack and like yellow cheeses, but like I said, it turned out pretty good, so no harm, no foul. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't be afraid to check out one of my other videos up above. See you tomorrow. Bye!